Welcome back to my channel. I make money from home. This is Mario. Today I'm going to do a review of Shortz. Shortz is a app or software that allows you to create short video. Nowadays, short videos are really hot right now because YouTube wants to uh, com- compete with Instagram Reels and TikTok. So they are pushing a lot on YouTube Shorts. So to be able to rank with YouTube Shorts is really easy. It's not like YouTube or normal videos. So this software I just got is allow me to create these short video really quickly, and these videos are done for you because they already have everything you need. It's pretty simple to use, and basically I paid like 20 bucks. There are this is the launch, so I don't know by the time that you uh, check out this video how much it will be, but I paid around 20 bucks for this software, and it's really easy to use, and it gives you everything. You don't have to worry about having to take videos from YouTube from other users. You can uh, get those videos created for you with this software. So I'm going to do a quick video of a quick demo of Shortz. So in this short review, you need to understand the way it works. So the best way to show you the way Shortz works is to do a demo. All right, so basically I'm on the back end right now. There's a lot of niches available, but most of them are around make money online and video internet marketing. It's all around internet marketing, but there are a ton of campaign available. So, for example, I do a search. I do I do filter the result by search volume, so I know work from home. I have a lot of searches, so I'm gonna create a video for work from home. So it's really fast, as you can see. For example, you have a lot of videos already done for you. I'm gonna pick up this one. You select a question, and then all right, so perfect. And then I click on next. Okay, now I have to choose an answer. All right. All right. Well, unlock the lifestyle you want. Let's take this one. How to profit from your laptop. All right. Select this answer. So the last step is to select an affiliate program to promote at the end of your video. So you have the link here. They give you access to all the information to grab your own link. So you'll put the link at the end of the video. But basically, if you select this product, then this is the one that you'll promote at the end of the video. So I'm going to click on next. All right. So I'm going to click on call to action. You can, so basically now we are choosing a song or something at the end of the video. I'm going to take this one, click call to action, and that's it. So I'm going to create my video and come back to you. All right, my video is ready. Now I wanted to show you the link to the JV page. Basically, the JV page is information about, okay, too many windows open. So basically the JV page is everything you need to promote this offer. If you have other ways like email lists, you have email swipes here, you have all the information to ask for to promote this offer. So basically this is this link right there. Now I can download the video thumbnail. So basically this is the thumbnail right there. I don't have to design anything. And now I'm gonna download. I can download the video right there, or you can preview it. So this is the video. So pretty sweet. So let's do some math right there. If, for example, you have this a video right there and you have 20,000 views, maybe per week, let's say per week, and you have only, if you put your link on the description, you have only 5% of people that click on the link. So 0.05. You have 1,000 people that goes and see the offer that you want to promote, and from those 1,000 people, you have only 1% that decide to buy. So let's do 0. So it means that you have 10 sales per week with only one video, and each sales can bring at least $20. So $20. So from one video, you can profit $200 per week using this software. So you can create as many as you want, and you just upload them, but you have to be consistent though. You cannot just go and create one video on your channel. You can niche down your channel to make money opportunities and make money online. And so all you have to do is to create these videos over and over and upload them on your channel, and you'll be able to start making money. But you cannot just create one video and that's it. So this is my conclusion of the Shortz app or Shortz software to make money online with YouTube Shorts. So basically, this is the way it works. Hopefully, when you click on that, I'm gonna leave the link below to get the promotional price. I don't know how much it will be when you click, but it will be around 15 or $20, $25. So it's really worth it if you want to make money online and you cannot invest $25 to have a tool that does almost everything for you. You'll have to go and work maybe somewhere else and make some money, put some money aside, and start investing in yourself, investing in tools that will allow you to save time, save money, because time is money. If you have to take 20-30 minutes to create a video, and with this tool, I think explaining all the members area, it took me like 1.5 minutes to do a video. So basically, this is the way Shortz work. If you're interested in to buy it, click the link below. And until next time, take action. This is the only way you'll make 2022 your best year yet.